Punta nga doon. Sige, punta ka doon.
Ay, mukha, tamo ka. Ay, no, tigla, nagdadala na bola. Ay! Ayan pa naman.
Ladies and gentlemen, good evening and welcome to our finals game number 2, Women's Division of yours, SK Olympics 2025, brought to us by our SK Sangguniang Kabataan ng Barangay Canlubang, headed by SK Nadine Cabrera and of course, her council.
Tanga, di ka kita, mukha kang pwede, hindi ka na.
And now, ladies and gentlemen, let's meet our players from Series 1 and 2 Women's Team. Let's start with jersey number 1, Calabria Elena. Their opposite hitter. Let's have jersey number 3, Hernandez Erica. Open hitter. Let's have jersey number 5, Payawal Nicole, middle blocker. Let's have Lopez Ayan, jersey number 7. We also have jersey number 8, Madam Carmen Gonzalez. We also have their open hitter, jersey number 9, Silvestre Monica. Let's give it up for their opposite hitter, jersey number 10, Alcantara Abigail. We also have their setter, jersey number 11, Valentino Kyla. Middle blocker, jersey number 12, Estan Charmaine. Libero, jersey number 14, Toto Ali Michelle. We also have jersey number 15, Sarmiento Patricia. Jersey number 16, Estingor Sophie. Jersey number 19, Gonzalez Loris. And jersey number 25, Valeros Ashley. Ladies and gentlemen, your team, Series 1 and 2. And now let's meet our players from our defending champion, Mahalin Women's Volleyball Team. Jersey number 1, Noela Javier. Opposite hitter, jersey number 2, Elaine Malasigan. We also have jersey number 3, Jersey Manalo. Opposite hitter from jersey number 4, Jensa Opeña. The setter, jersey number 8, Jibo Plaza. Jersey number 11, Roseanne Manzanilla. We also have jersey number 12, Prisha Opeña. And our reigning MVP, their team captain, jersey number 14, Laika Lenaria. We also have jersey number 17, Jenlyn Lenaria. Jersey number 7, Basilisa Silva Libero. And sorry, their team captain, jersey number 13, Corinne Manalo. Barangay Canlubang Aisyawan, palakpakan po natin team Series 1 and 2 and team Mahalain. Yes. Here we go. Officiating this match, first referee, Irving Asuncion, National Referee. Second referee, Nisi Larito. First 6, Series 1 and 2. Calabia, Elena, Payalaw, Nicole. Jersey number 8, Gonzalez. Jersey number 9, Celestre. Jersey number 11, Tolentino. Jersey number 12, Esan. Libero. Next, Mahaniin. Jersey number 2, Elaine Marisigan. Go. Receive. Set, jersey number 11. Nice. Set again. That ball. Nice one. Serve, jersey number 3. Nice serve, nice receive. Set again. Set again, jersey number 11, number 9. Set. Inside. Official score 2-0, favor of Mahadain. Serve, jersey number 3. Nice serve, nice receive. Set. Drop ball. Good ball. Set again. Inside. Official score 2-1. Service, jersey number 11. Official score 3-1. Service, jersey number 8. Nice serve, nice receive. Set again. Outside. Official score 4-1. Service, jersey number 8, Gonzalez Carmen. Outside. Mali pala. Series 3 pala yun. Alright. Serve, jersey number 12. Nice receive. Set again. Set. Back roll. Nice receive. Set. Outside. Serve, jersey number 12. Estan. Nice serve. Set again. Back roll. Nice. Official score 5-3, favor of Mahadain. Nice serve. Relax. Relax. Official score 6-3, favor of Mahadain, our defending champion. Nice. Receive. Set. Good ball. Set again. Drop ball. Good. Nice. Inside. Official score 7-3. Paldach. Rank 1, Joey Valero.
Ang galing. Nice naman.
Official score 7-4. Nawain na naman oh. Let's go, go. Nice serve. Alright, good. Set. Good ball. Set. Set again.
Ako yan. Kaya hindi.
Good ball. Set. Good ball. Set. Check ball. Alright, time out. Series 1 and 2. Hold the cigarettes. Hold the cigarettes. Tinatawag po namin ng mga paidol. Sumayaw po sa gitna ang rank 1 to rank 3. Pag hindi sumayaw. Alright! Back to the ball game.
Ikaw yun. Nakanina ka po. Ikaw yun.
Official score 8-4. Serve jersey number 2, Elaine Marasigan. Nice serve. Receive. Set. Nice. Deep.
Ako yun.
Check ball inside. Good ball. Set again.
Just gala.
Good. Good ball. Set. Drop ball. Nice power clear. Service. Serve. Jersey number 2. Nice serve. Official score 10-4 favor of Mahada In. Nice serve. Receive. Set. Good. Nakuha. Drop ball. Set again.
Wait. Bet na ko. Sabahin mo na. Bakit?
Good ball. Set.
Bet na. Di ko lang hinihintay.
Hindi na daw lalaban sa inyo.
Back row top. Good ball. Again. Set. Good ball. Good. Attack. Set. Drop ball. Not over. Official score 10-5 favor of Mahada In. Serve jersey number 1, Miss Elena Calabria. Good ball. Set again. Set. Good. Nakuha po. Good ball. Nice. Official score 11-5 favor of Mahada In. Serve jersey number 12, Trisha Opeña. Nice serve. Another serve by Trisha Peña.
12-5.
Good. Set again. Receive again. Backlog. Official score, 12-6. Kalahati po ang laman. Serve, jersey number 5, Nicole. Nice straight, ganda. Back row. Inside by jersey number 13. Official score, 13-6. Serve, jersey number 14, Laika. Nice serve, floaty. Number 12, set, drop ball. Set again, drop ball. Back row attack, not over. Official score, 13-7. Serve, jersey number 8, Miss Carmen Gonzalez. Nice. Good ball. Inside. Good again. Good ball. Good ball. Set. Back row attack. Number 14. Nakuha. Lilipat sa bila. Alright. Official score, 13-8. Another serve, jersey number 8. Nice serve, nice receive. Number 13. Inside. Official score, 9-13-9. Favor of Nahadain. Nice serve from Carmen. Jersey number 9. Another service is from jersey number 8. Not over. Jersey number 3. Manalo. Nice serve. Good ball. Taray. Number 13. Good. Number 9. Number 13. Good ball. Good. Back row attack. Nakuha. Set again. Number 9. Good. Drop ball. Nice kick. Another. Announcement, basahan daw po. Another
Nakakounted eh.
service is jersey number 3.
Nakakounted dito sa
Basahan.
Ang galing mo ka rin lang.
Check na. Another service ace, jersey number 3. Nice service. Inside. Set again. Number 9. Monica. Serve, jersey number 11. Kyla Tolentino. Nice serve. Receive again. Inside, nakuha. Set again. Not over. Official score 16-11. Favor of Mahadain. Serve, jersey number 8. Jewel Plaza. Not over. Serve, jersey number 12. Charmaine. Nice serve. Inside. Good. Good ball. Set again. Good check. Set. Nice. Jersey number 13. Serve, jersey number 3, our captain ball, Corinne Manalo. 13. Yeah. Nice serve. Another ace service. Official score 12-18. Nice serve. Receive. Set. Jersey number 9. Outside. Official score 19-12. Alright, another service ace. Timeout. Service 1 and 2. Alright, back to the ball game. Okay, magandang gabi po, Coach Ria Tano, ang pinakamaganda kong friend. Nice, sir. Ang ganda talaga ni Coach Ria Tano. Baunan. Nice, sir. Send again. Receive. Back roll attack. Nakuha. Set by 8. Drop ball. Good. Not over.
21-13.
Official score 21-13. Serve jersey number 2, Elaine Marasigan. Nice serve. Another ace service. Nice serve. He won the 12. Drop ball. Good ball. Set. Number 13. Not over. Official score 22-14. Favor of Mahalain. Serve, jersey number 1, Elena. Nice serve. Receive. Set again. Outside. Another serve. Jersey number 1, Elena Calabia. Nice serve. Receive. Good ball. Official score 22-16, favor of Mahadain. Nice serve, receive, over. Carmen, good ball, set. Nice, big. Official score 22-17, favor of Mahadain. Another service ace, jersey number 1. Alright, touch the net, jersey number 40. Timeout, Mahadain.
It's the G.
Alright, back to the ball game. Isa na lang pong timeout ng Mahadain. Another service ace, jersey number 1, Elena Calabia. Nice serve, receive again. Set. Set again. Good ball. Over. Good ball. Set. Alright! Jersey number 14, Laika Lanaya. Whining, 18. Serve, jersey number 12, Trisha Apenia. Aray, gets na gets. Number 14, nakuha. Carmen, nice dig. Set again. Number 14, Pirapo. Inside, last one. Set point. Back row attack. Nakuha. Official score 24-19. Serve, jersey number 5, Nicole. Set. Number 12. Nakuha din. Back row. Good ball. Set again. Outside. Thank you. First game win. All right, back to the ball game. All right.
Dito, tawag ka. Tawag ka.
Alam mo, Nathan!
Serve, jersey number 14, Laika Lanaya. Nice serve. Jersey number 9. Not over. Another service ace. Jersey number 14. Joey, kabuta mo. Kamawala ha. Rapol. Alright. Serve, jersey number 11. Laika Tolentino. Number 30, the black. Good ball. Tarais, receive. Number 30, up spin. Alright. Official score 2-1. Under service ace 11, jersey Tolentino. Away.
Away, no way.
Serve, jersey Manalo, jersey number 3. Carmen, good. Official score 3-2, favor of series 1 and 2. Serve, jersey number 5. Nice serve. That was nice power serve. Serve, jersey number 5, Nicole Payao. Outside. Official score 4-3, favor of series 1 and 2. Serve, jersey number 8, Jewel Plaza. Nice receive. Back roll attack. Good ball. Outside. All 4. Another service ace. Jersey number 8.
Iwan ko.
Good ball. Outside. Jersey number 9, Monica. Good ball. Serve, jersey number 13. Nice serve. Good ball. Nakuha. Boy touches. Change favor. Official score 6-5. Favor Mahadagin. Official score 7-6, favor of Mahadagin. Serve, jersey number 8. Repo, nakuha. Rito. Set. Bingo. Jersey number 3. All 7. Serve jersey number 8. Carmen Gonzalez.
Jersey mo. Ah, tablay. Gagawin yung damit.
Inside.
9-7. Pinay ka nagtamo, di ba?
Serve jersey number 12. Charmaine.
Yun, ang dami nyo ba? Hindi ka na.
Good. All 9. Serve jersey number 12, Trisha Opena. Not over. Serve jersey number 3, Hernandez Erika. Nice serve. Nice serve. That's time. Change favor, 11. 10. Favorite Mahadai. Nice serve. Time out. Set is 1 and 2.
Yung pasito pa atrás.
Alright, mga kababayan, narito na ba ang may iwanang ate? Ang pauga. Magandang gabi po sa aming coach ng MCBC Ward, Miss Ria Bano. Oh my God, baka naman. Back to the ball game. Serve jersey number 14, Laika. Another serve, jersey number 14. Nice receive. All right. Official score 13-11 favor of Mahadai. Good ball. Nice receive. Jersey number 9. Receive. Set again. Back row attack. Give. Set again. Inside. Jersey number 9. Monica. Official jersey number 3. Jersey Manalo. Nice serve. Time ay Substitution. 1 in, 11 out. Jersey number 9. Inside. Official score 15-13. Favor of Mahadai. That's over. Official score 17-40. Nice serve. Number 13, drop ball. Officials inside.
Hirap tanongin tayo pag defend yung champion.
Official score 18-15.
Defending champion Mahadai eh.
Serve jersey number 8.
Magaling dyan.
Good ball. Over. Good ball. Official score 18-16. Another serve. Nice serve. Nice receive. Set. Number 14, Nagu. Good ball. Official score 18-17. Binabati ko yung friend namin si Ria Bano. Ayos mo ka, please. Nice. That's over. Official score 19-17. Favor of Mahadai. Serve jersey number 2. Good ball. Set. Back row attack. Nice. Good ball. Set again. Number 14. Nakuha niya 5. Pinalo 3. 14 ulit. Check outside. Official score 20-17. Binabati po namin si Nicole Rojas. Good evening. Good ball. Set. Back row attack. Jersey number 8. 14. Official score 21-17. Serve jersey number 2. Elaine Marasigan. Nice deep. Nakuha ni Carmen. Over. Set again. Number 14. Alright, back to the ball game.
Pwede po 17 lang. Coach. Okay na po kayong time ha.
No. At pinatati po namin si Elaine Marasigan. Nice! Receive! Number 14. Black ball, not over.
Dalawa tayo.
Sabihin mo,
17-20.
yes! Official score, Wyoming 17. Number 2, not over. Bakransa, nice lead.
Ito, palo na.
Alright.
Ay!
Point success. Game 2,
Last one.
set 2. Win. Mahadi Ian, 25-17.
Manalo na lang. Oh,
DJ. Binabati ko ang aming kapatid na si Red Uncle EJ. Nakapin ka pa ha? Iba talagang atake ni Mama. Tayo si Red Uncle. Alright, back to the ball game, set 2. Serve. Series 3 and 1. 1 and 2. Jersey number 3. Nice serve. Not over. Binabati ko po yung kaibigan namin naka-Blackpink. EJ Tolentino, a.k.a. Kaa. Official score, 2-1. Serve, jersey number 3. Trouble, receive. Good ball. Receive again. Set. Jersey number 9. Official score 4-1. Favor of series 1 and 2. Serve. Jersey number 1. Elena Calabia. Nice serve. Another serve. Jersey number 1.
Grabe lang. Ano. Yan.
Outside.
Out.
Timeout. Mahadayin. Number 13, inside. Serve, jersey number 5, Nicole Payao. Nice over. Set. Set again. Number 9. Official score 9-2. Official score 10-3. Favor of series 1 and 2. Serve jersey number 9, Monica. Nice serve, nakuha. Good ball. Set. Jersey number 3. Jersey number 9. Outside. Official score 12-4. Serve jersey number 11, Roseanne Manzanilla. Right over. Nice serve. Official score 13-6. Favor of series 1 and 2. Serve jersey number 8. Nice receive. Good ball. Official score 14-7. Serve jersey number 12, Charmaine San. Back roll attack. Good. Nakuha ni Carmen. Set. Jersey number 3, back ball. Set. Back roll attack again. Nakuha. Set again. Jersey number 3. Check. Outside. Official score 15-8. Favor of series 1 and 2. Dito ka si Ate Lenny. Good ball. Set. Drop ball. Not over. Official score 15-9. Serve jersey. Magandang gabi sa aking friend. Sa aking friend si Jerry. Yes. Nice serve jersey number 14. Outside. Timeout. Series 1 and 2. Serve jersey number 14. Laika Lamaria.
Good.
Nice hit. Set again.
Good.
Nakuha. Set. Over. Set. Number 3. Nice serve.
Nahulog.
Official score 16-12. Serve jersey number 3, Hernandez Erica. Nice receive. Good ball. Inside.
Nice one.
Official score 17-12.
Go.
Serve jersey number 3, Hernandez Erica. Nice receive. Official score 18-12. Number 14. Outside.
Okay lang. Sabay.
Official score 19-12.
Go. Taas ang bola, taas. Taas ang receive. Go.
Roy!
Official score 20-12. Timeout. Mahariin.
Excuse me.
Wala na pong timeout ang Mahariin.
Stop your diet. She tastes like gold.
Taas ang bola sa receive.
Uy! Ito na.
Official score 22-12.
Kakaisa.
Go, girls.
Uy! Madali.
Serve jersey number 3, Manalo. Good ball. Set again. Number 5. Set. Number 14. Number 9. Good ball. Number 1. Set. Number 13.
Last.
4 catches.
Doon pa rin.
Warning for
Pwede ko ba lang? Dalawa ba wala? Dalawa.
serve jersey number 8, Jewel Plaza.
Good.
Nice serve. Carmen, nakuha. Set. Black ball. Outside.
Saan na lang?
Set point.
Nakaisa pa ang series 1 and 2. Nakaisa pa.
Receive. Back row attack. Set. Carmen. Nice. Alright, game
25.
set 4 na po tayo. Okay. Nice receive. Back row attack. Nice receive again. Set. Jersey number 9. That ball. Set. Over. Set again. Inside. Serve jersey number 1. Serve jersey number 8. Jewel Plaza. Nice receive. Carmen. Official score 3-1. Nice receive. Set. Jersey number 9. Nakuha. Set. Jersey number 13, drop ball. Number 9, nakuha, set. Another, over. Good. Yes, another. Back row attack. Nice receive. Set. Number 30. Number 9. Over. Set. Number 12. Nice receive. Set again. Number 9. Outside. Official score 6-1. Serve jersey number 5, Nicole. Nice. Good ball. Number 2. Set jersey number 9. Inside. Set again. Out series 1 and 2. Official score 8-2. Okay, announcement daw po, may nawawala daw pong wallet dyan sa banda. Meron ba ito? Official score 8-2. Serve, jersey number 13.
Kami na natin natin. Kami na natin ito. Tuwan yun.
Nice receive. Set. Number 14. Inside. Official score 9-3. Serve, jersey number 8. Gonzalez Carmen. Number 14, na receive. Set. Number 3, over. Number 14, na receive. Number 11, inside. Official score 11-4. Nice serve. Nice receive. No. Double. 2 hits kung tawagin po natin.
Sayang, para sa akin naman.
Official score 11-5. Serve, jersey number 12. Nice receive. Over. Set. Serve, jersey number 12. Estan Charmin. Set again, number 5, the black. Nakuha. Number 1. Number 3. Good ball. Nice receive. Trap ball. Number 3 ulit. Jersey number 14. Nice receive. Set. Number 5. Set. Number 30. Good ball. Official score 13-6, favor of Bahadain. Sir, jersey number 3. Nice sir. Number 30. Inside. Official score 14-7. Favor of Mahadain. Number 9. Nice. Official score 15-8. Sir, jersey number 1. Nice receive. Set. Number 30. Inside. Official score 17-8, favor of Mahadain. Timeout. Series 1 and 2. Wala na pong timeout ang Series 1 and 2. to the ball game. Serve, jersey number 8. Nice receive. Number 9. Nice receive. Set. Ball. Nakuha. Set again. Number 9. Drop ball. Official score 19-10. Standby po tayo sa game ng mga lalaki. Grabe. Inside 11. Malapit-lapit na po ang ating lalaki. Substitution. 1 in, out 2. Isa pa. 12 out, 4 in. And go. Serve, jersey number 13. That over. Serve, jersey number 1. Noela Javier. Bravo. 4 catches. Serve, jersey number 8. Gonzalez. Nice receive. Atilaida, go. Back to the ball game. Good ball. Bola.
Dito na. 22-16.
Serve, jersey number 4. Official score 22-17. Serve, jersey number 12. Alright, Bobo. Warning 17.
Warning 17.
Set again, number 8, number 30, good ball. Set point. Championship point. Championship na po ang puntos. Outside.
Championship na lang ang puntos ng kanyang Canada.
Serve, jersey number 3. 24-19.
Pagkula ko mga pensa.
Another serve.
Ito. Ayan pa.
Outside. Official score, last 20. Final score na po tayo. Women's volleyball team. Congratulations also to Series 1 and 2 women's volleyball team for a great season. Congratulations, Maharain. And congratulations then, Series 1 and 2. Captain Ball. Ipirma po kayo dito. Ito na ang hinihintay natin mga kasityo. Ang lalaki, men's competition. Captain Ball Series 1 and 2. Bigyan po natin ang pagkakataon na makapagpasalamat at pagsalita ang ating pong team captain po ng Mahadain Women's Volleyball Team, si Corinne Manalo. Palakpakan po natin. At repeat. Congratulations, Corinne. Happy birthday. Palakpakan po natin Mahadain Women's Volleyball Team.
Nakapila pa rin ang trophy.
Again, salamat po sa papisa ni Sir Techi, Madam. Salamat. And Joey Balero, salamat din. Di pa napitikman yung luto mo.
So, yun ang basketball. Tabi niyo muna bola.
Alright, yung mga nagbabasketball muna.